Hey, what's up guys? It's Mickey the Barber. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this dope blonde 3 to 4 month unit. Now I have to say this actual process took me a while. It took me 3.5 hours. So keep in mind, if you do want to do this at home or you do want to try this out on a client, that it will take some time with the process of lifting the color, cutting the hair, waiting for products to dry. It will take a little while. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video, but I am gonna tap back in just so I can give you guys a few tips on the process and also how to maintenance this unit. cutting the hair down on the unit, I want you to be real careful when you're cutting down with the clippers on the sides of the unit. You don't want to cut off too much of the excess hair that you need to lay over onto his hair. So you want to make sure that you're being real light on the sides. Now, if you feel like you still have too much excess hair on the sides, you're going to take a thinning comb and you're just going to thin that out. You don't want to cut that hair off because you'll be able to tell the difference between the unit and his actual hair. So you just want to make sure you're thinning it out and not cutting it off. All right, guys, I'm back. As of right now, I'm almost done with this haircut. I'm doing the edge up right now. But I just want to give you guys a few tips on how to maintenance this look if you actually wanted to try this look at home. My first suggestion would be make sure that you have some clippers at home where you can edge your hair up at least once a week. Also, I would make sure that that you get your hair relifted every 2 weeks just to maintain this look. If you would not like to and you just want your sides to grow back in black, you could also do that, and you can add a little leave-in conditioner and some curling cream, and you can basically kind of give it like a little curl type of look also. And this look lasts for 3 to 4 months with maintenance. So if you guys are not maintaining it, probably won't last that long. But if you do take care of it, then it probably could last that long or even longer. And all the products that was used in this video today, including the blonde unit, can be purchased at www.mdbgrooming.com. If you guys love this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, please give it a thumbs down. If you have any questions for me or any comments, you can leave it in the comment section. And if you guys want to see any future videos for me, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for the love and support, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video.